Hey guys, welcome back and welcome if you're new. It's Naomi Sarah here, and in today's video I thought I would just do a quick twist out tutorial for you guys. So if you guys want to keep watching and see how my twist out turns out, stay tuned. So in my previous video, I tested out the Pattern Beauty hair care line by Tracee Ellis Ross, and I used the leave-in conditioner to do this twist out, and surprisingly today my hair feels extremely moisturized. It feels really good, and I did these twists like 2 days ago now, so they held up pretty well and my hair is still feeling really moisturized. So all that I am really going to be using is some oil, and I'm just gonna use oil to smooth over my twist right now, just so that it doesn't create any frizz. I really want to keep my twist out defined, and I don't want to create any frizz at all, so I'm going to add some oil, and I have a little bit left over from when I did my DIY hot oil treatment. And if you guys have not seen that video, definitely check it out. I will link it above and in the description box. I'm just gonna pour some of the oil in my hand and then just smooth it over my twists. So I'm starting down here and I'm trying to gently untwist. And you can even just like pull it, and sometimes it'll just come apart really easily, but this one not so much. And then the braids, just pop them apart like that. I'm gonna do this one. So I'll show you guys again. Just separate like that, and then try to do it really gently. You're left with a twist like this. So this one came out kind of wonky because I did sleep on it, but we'll do this one again. And if you come to a section like this where it's kind of like all together, where it's not coming apart very easily, just try and gently separate like that. See, there's not much frizz there if I got them apart. So yeah, you're gonna do that all over your hair until you have no twists left. So right now my hair actually feels so soft. It's unbelievable, because when I tried the conditioner and the shampoo, I wasn't sure about the conditioner, but the leave-in has left my hair feeling really, really soft, and it is so shiny. And all I did right now was just add some oil on top to untwist these twists. I mean, the definition is pretty nice, even though I slept on it for 2 nights, which kind of messes up some of my twists, but especially this one is really defined. It looks really nice. Okay, so enough of that. We're gonna go on to the next step, which is to fluff and separate. So again, I'm just going to tie up a portion of my hair that I'm not working on right now so that I don't miss anything. And I'm just gonna use a clip this time. So I've got my clip. Put that up like that, and I'll zoom in so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. But for this one, come on, you're going to take it and just kind of find the places that it naturally separates and pull it apart really gently. Try not to create any frizz when you're doing this step. If it doesn't come apart easily, then don't bother with it, just leave it as it is. Because if you try to force it, you will just make it frizzy and it won't turn out very well. Okay, so I'm just about done untwisting, and because I had my hair in the bun, it kind of makes my ends look a bit weird because they have taken the shape of my bun, but we will fix that, so don't worry about that. All right, so I have two combs now. I have an Afro pick and I also have this comb. So I'm gonna start out with the Afro pick, and I'm gonna go in at my roots and just lightly fluff them out as if you are picking out a wash and go. And you're just gonna do that all over just to create some more volume by your roots. And then once you're happy with how the root area is looking, you're gonna go into areas like this and like this that don't look very good and just pick them out and try to make them look more full. So I won't be doing that. And when I pick it out, I just go like that, try and like fluff it up almost. I don't wanna tease it and get tangled. So I'm just going to fluff out. But like here, we are going to go out. And you see how it falls? It kind of has a bit of volume. That's what you're looking for. So we'll do the same thing over here. And it's great because you don't really lose the definition that you get, that you have with your twist out. It just enhances it. So you can also go and separate your sections. So I'm gonna do that here because I want some more volume on this side. And we'll do the same thing again. It's turning out. So you see how it's already looking fuller and it doesn't have any weird shapes or any weird ends? That's what you want. So you're just gonna keep doing this until you're happy with how your hair is looking and it looks full enough for you. So I think I'm happy with how it's looking right now. So I'm gonna stop teasing it, and I'm not teasing it, I'm gonna stop fluffing it. And I am just going to leave my hair like this. So tell me what you guys think. Do you guys like doing twist outs? What's your favorite twist out style, or like braid outs, twist outs? What do you prefer? What works better for you? It really took me a long time to get used to twist outs and even wearing my hair in twists, but I have really gotten used to it. And I like how my hair turns out when I do a twist out, but I really do love wash and goes more. Now that it's the winter time though, I have not done a wash and go in a while just because it is so cold and I don't want to go outside with wet hair. So this is the final look, guys. Let me know what you think, if you like this look and how it turned out. So definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, see you guys in the next one.
I just push a button, automatic start. My roof got the stars, pull up with your bars. Sit deep on my diamond, you niggas too flaw. Hey, I'm about a moment, I land them up. She, no fashion.